Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you will find right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button, and I always recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. You will see in your inbox the picture and the title of the video, and if you press on the picture, it acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video. It's something I use and I enjoy, and I always want to start off my videos telling you guys about it because I don't want you guys to miss out. So if you press that subscribe button and you ring that bell, you will be in the know. Also, I have that pillow behind me to remind you guys that I need you guys to, on the YouTube platform, to give a thumbs up if you're enjoying the content on the videos. So it's right underneath the video. I try to do it first thing when I go on because otherwise I'm so wrapped up in the conversations that go on, I always forget to ask you guys to do it. So it's the thumbs up, it's right underneath. It will turn blue, which means they're registering it. The number should go up. And then what it does is YouTube will then look at how many thumbs up there are. And if there's a certain number, which I don't know what that number is, that they will then take my videos and place them in the feeds of other people that enjoy this type of content. They just haven't had the opportunity to meet me yet on this large platform. So I'm thanking you in advance for doing that for me. And like I said, it's that thumbs up right underneath the video. Okay. Today is the day that we do the, we're going to be doing the announcement of the winner of the Ciate London eyeshadow palette. On my channel, I always say we don't do a lot, but it seems like we're doing a lot of giveaways. The type of giveaways that we do on our channel, except for when we hit the 1K, which I still couldn't believe that we did it in less than a year. And I then just went through all my stuff and tried to put a package together for you guys. And what I try to do is when we get duplicate palettes from the boxes, and they're duplicates not because of the company, they're the duplicates because I have two accounts with Boxycharm, and sometimes they do one palette that they're putting in every premium box, so I get two premium boxes on my channel. So because of that, we end up getting a duplicate palette, but there are always these fantastic palettes that they end up putting in all of the boxes. So when that happens, it actually is good because then I get to have something on the channel to share with you guys as a giveaway. Otherwise, my channel, it's information. It's to have the opportunity to try a lot of products and then tell you guys about the products. And if I see some deals or if there's something, it's a relationship between you and I. That's what this channel is about. So this is not the type of channel where you're going to come on, I'm going to open up a box, I'm going to show you the stuff, I'm going to close the box, and I'm going to see you later. That's not what this channel is all about. So I thank you so much for sticking with me, growing with me, because majority of you, it surprises me when, and today actually the winner is someone I think that is newer to my channel, or she just doesn't comment a lot because it was a name that I'm not that familiar with. When I started the channel, I had more time to go on other people's channels to look and to learn and to meet new people. And if someone signed up for me that they had a channel and they told me that they had a channel, I always went over, you know, to continue the support and follow them or subscribe to them to help, you know, within the beauty community. But what I found I'm missing now is I do not have the time to watch as much as I would like to, because what brought me onto the channel was that I loved YouTube and I loved watching YouTube. And when I was going through the transition of moving from Canada to the United States full time, I had the time to sit down and really get to know a lot of people on the channel. But what I found is the larger channels aren't the ones that are watching. It's the smaller channels or people that don't even have channels that are watching. So I really wish I had more time to support back. And when I do, I make a list to try to get to as many as I can. So the support that I can give is the support that I give, but this person does have a channel. So if you want to check her channel out, you know, that's fantastic too. She is new to me. I really haven't had the opportunity to watch her channel yet, but I saw that she does have a channel and I went to her about area to see if I could learn a little bit more about her, and it's a very interesting story. So when I get an opportunity to watch her channel, I will. All right. I also want to share with you guys the palette, so that if you didn't get chosen, this is a winter palette. And because we have access now on, you know, Boxycharm pop-ups or Boxycharm sales, we can get palettes that are, you know, $30, $40, $50 for a lot less. And we've been able to build up, at least I have, through subscription boxes without even going into the add-ons or the shopper at Ipsy, whatever it is. But if you're not, and you don't get all the boxes like I do, which that makes more sense than what I do, I want to make sure that if this type of palette shows up, that you guys know about it and you know that we enjoyed it. And then if it even shows up for $10, $12, $15, it's a fantastic palette. So I'm going to swatch it for you guys so you guys can see what it's all about. It has a full mirror on the inside. This is mine, and I've been using it, and you can see that it's a little loved, but it doesn't look disastrous like a lot of other palettes. The other one is here fully packaged. It has been opened to make sure that everything's okay, but it has never been touched or anything for the winner. And this is what this one looks like here. So I'm just going to quickly do some swatches, and I'm going to tell you guys who the winner is, and then that will be the end of this video. So that's the first row. And this palette is one that I think is fantastic for people that don't love heavy pigment, that you're able to play a little bit more. It's more forgiving. So you'll be able to still get the colors that I think are so on trend right now. And always when we do finger swatches, the shimmer shades always show more vibrant, and that's fun. But the matte shades in this are just as good. They just don't show up as well when we do swatches. And you'll be able to go back in and make things deeper if that's what you want, or if you just want a lighter wash of color, you'd be fine with that too. So that was the 3 rows that are on my hand. Now I'm going to do the last 2 of each row, which are the darker shades, which look like here. So there's enough colors in here that really this can be a palette that could be your, you know, your go-to. It has enough shades in here that for the season that's coming up, I think it is beyond perfect, but it's also one that you can do lighter, like I said, if you want. So really pretty. And then we just got the last 2, but it has all the colors. And Ciate London is a UK brand. I've been impressed with every product that I've had the opportunity to try, and I've enjoyed it so much that when it shows up in add-ons, like their loose setting powder, I 100%, repurchased it when it was on those areas where I can get these fantastic products that we get the opportunity to try in a subscription box, and then be able to repurchase it still in the sale areas from these subscription boxes. So this one is called the New England, and it's the editor palette from Ciate London. All right, so now everybody is completely up to date with everything that's going on, what the name of the palette is. I just have to give you guys the winner. And okay, so the winner, her channel here on YouTube is called A Day in the Life of Michelle. Once again, it's A Day in the Life of Michelle. So what I'm going to be doing, first of all, if any of you know her or anything, please leave in the comments and congratulate her on winning on this channel. Like I said, I have not had the opportunity to enjoy as much as I wanted to, but I will definitely go and check her channel out myself. It is on the top of my list now. So Michelle, you'll be getting a comment from me soon within your videos, because I do usually catch up on more than one. Once I get in, I'm usually in for a little bit. So it's A Day in the Life of Michelle. What I'm going to do is on the original video where you left your comment, I will tell you there that you are the winner. And then I will then in turn go through your Instagram to your direct message and tell you there that you won as well, and how I want you to get in touch with me, and where we're going to share the personal information, like your USA address, so that we can send the item out to you. I do this a little bit more than, I don't expect everyone to watch every one of my videos, and I know a lot of girls, sign up for a lot of giveaways. I always try my best to answer you guys in the comment that you left. I reach out to you through direct message, and we finalize everything via email, because then that goes into Improving Lifestyles, which is the business that I have with my brother, the shipping system, and then the package goes out to you, and it will be coming to you from Improving Lifestyles. All right. So once again, the winner is A Day in the Life of Michelle. We'll be in touch. Congratulations. You did fantastic. I'm happy that you found my channel and that you're a girl who loves eyeshadow palettes as well. And I think you'll really, really enjoy this one as well. All right. Once again, as always, I appreciate so much that you guys take any time out of your day, that you choose to spend it with me here. If there's anything active, giveaways and stuff that is currently going on, or any information, always check in my description box so that you guys will be knowing what's going on. And that's it for today. All right. Once again, everybody continue to stay safe and stay well. And I'll see you all in my next video. Take care and bye-bye for now. Congratulations, A Day in the Life of Michelle.